You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
Warning, Steve is a trained professional. Do not attempt anything you see on this page.
All right, y'all. Just wanted to take a second to thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate y'all tuning in. I'm going to do a giveaway next video. So if you have an idea of what you think I should give away, drop it in the comments. Let's hit some garage sales. Hey, what's up?
I haven't priced those yet, but if you're interested, I can ask my husband.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, I don't know. There's DS stuff. I don't know if the DS works. They're all cheap. He just said $2 per game. I don't even know what you mean.
How much for the whole, with the DS and everything?
4, 6, 10, 12. Maybe like 15 or 20?
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Here, let's do 15 because I really do not know if the DS works.
Okay.
To be honest.
I'll just give you 20 and I'll get the bobbleheads, and if I see anything else.
Okay, yeah.
For $2, I'll throw it in.
Okay, that'll work.
Is this makeup or
It's
art paint?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it has like the brushes and cups in there.
Okay.
All the bobbleheads,
Yeah.
including
Just
that
not
guy.
this one.
Oh,
His
look,
broken
my
leg.
kids probably broke it. Thanks for telling me.
Oh yeah, it's all good.
Made that decision real easy. There's that.
Okay.
I wonder if I should get some sacks out. I
Yeah,
can
probably.
Go get some sacks.
All right, here's a closer look at that buy I just got. So it had some bobbleheads. Those probably go for like 30 a piece. And then all told, this maybe $200, so not bad. Oh, and this guy worked fine. This lady had this power plug hooked up to the audio jack, which is why I think she couldn't turn it on.
Morning.
Hi. How y'all doing?
Doing okay.
Good.
She was. $1. Yeah, $1. Thank you. Yeah, we're just starting. We're just starting. Hopefully, it turns out okay.
How much are the games?
$5.
5.
Oh, hell no! Okay. Say it as if you mean it.
That's too much!
I like it.
How about the dolls?
Those I can go $3 each.
3?
Those are what, the Charlie's Angels?
Yeah.
Good morning, angels.
Good morning, Charlie. The old Charlie's.
Yeah. But you do 2 each on them?
Oh no, I paid quite a bit for those.
Yeah.
I was really asking $5 for them for each one, you know, but I said no, I'll bring them down.
To 3?
3, 6, 9, $12
12?
for the set. Yeah,
What about 10?
10.
10?
Right,
Cool.
let me give you a bag.
Cool. Thank you. Yeah.
There you go.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not bad. Looking for some treasures.
Well, we got plenty.
Okay. Ah, anything and everything, man. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I gotta go grab my comic books.
You got a bunch of video games or what?
No, I mean I used to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think what you have in your hand is really the only video game I have right now. So I do everything like
Digital.
digital. Yeah.
Fair enough. What is that one?
But it is an antique.
How much are these?
$2 each.
Two.
Yeah.
Just play with it.
Fiesta.
Well, I'm in your way, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
That's a cool camera. Stereo. What is this?
It's like a workout system.
Is that the complete system? Is it missing anything?
That's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
Just that in here.
Would you do 16 plus 4?
16 plus 4?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll do it all together for 20. That
Cool.
works.
Yeah. Sweet. There you
Thank
go,
you.
man. Anything other cool stuff I should buy?
We got lots of cool stuff.
Yeah.
Don't you need a bed frame?
Everybody's
No.
definition of it's cool is different, right? So.
That's true. That's true.
Nothing's going back in the house. So we're clear.
All right, I'll be back then. I'll be back to clean up.
Yeah, come back later.
Come back later, guys. I'll have my comic book.
Are you selling the comic books at like individual prices, or you're just trying to liquidate whatever you got, or what?
Yeah, so, you know, I haven't collected comics in a while, but I still have some that I hold. So, like, I have Spider-Man, like the #1, Spider-Man 2099,
Okay.
The Death of Superman. So, ones that are pretty good,
Mm-hmm.
you know, good price and everything. Just,
Okay.
I haven't brought them out yet.
Okay.
They're in good condition. Just
Like what kind of price are you talking?
comparable to eBay.
Comparable to eBay?
Yeah, which, you know, I'm kind of like lower than eBay right now.
Uh-huh.
So there's one thing that I have. I mean, you sound like a treasure hunter here, so let me
Yeah,
talk to you about this. So
You're talking my
I'm
language
just
here.
lazy here
Yep.
to post on eBay.
Mhm.
But, so we
Please
have,
show him the Mike Myers thing.
so we have like, we have this one that goes for like $56. We have this one.
Are they
Blue
brand
Life.
new?
Brand new, sealed, everything.
Okay.
Brand new and sealed. I have this just chilling upstairs,
Oh, dang.
and I've just been wanting to sell it on eBay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this is where like the reasonable offers come in. Like
Mhm,
if you can get something, but not, I'm not saying like $500, right?
Yeah,
I'm saying
yeah,
like
yeah.
if you can give me like $200 and you want to sell it on eBay, I'm totally cool with that. Like reasonable offers. I'll even bring it down here so you can
All right,
see.
yeah, bring it down. I'll check it out.
Okay. You want to look at the board games too, the ones I was
Yeah,
just showing you?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Any other stuff like that?
Okay.
Haul it on down.
I will. So here are the games.
Okay.
I got to make multiple trips, but
Mm-hmm.
here are the games. We have Monopoly, Clue, and Life.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll check those out.
Oh man. We got those as wedding gifts.
We did get those as wedding gifts.
You
so
did?
We don't sell them anymore.
That's been a couple years.
All right. So comic books are next, but
Okay.
Halloween thing. That was
see.
I mentioning to you.
Yeah.
Never opened. The front
Okay.
kind of just storage. It kind of collapsed, but it's never been
Yeah,
opened.
yeah.
Old wrestling figures.
Cool. Is that a camera
And
or what is
old
it?
vintage camera.
Yeah.
Like super old and everything. So, I mean, I'll let you look at it and everything.
Okay, okay.
Carnation milk.
All right.
The
I got one more
comics,
thing I just thought of while I was in there. So,
sports cards?
sports cards, but
Okay.
they're old wrestling ones. So
Okay,
there's probably
okay.
not a lot of value, but I will say that some of these, like obviously like the Ultimate Warrior. So wherever the Undertaker is, like these Undertakers are considered like the rookie cards.
Mm-hmm.
Once you grade those,
Yeah.
these are all in immaculate condition, mind you, because
that's
they've just been
cool.
sitting in here forever. But yeah, like old WCW.
Very cool.
The book cover is really cool too. It's just a long time. But yeah, so here we go. Like Spider-Man
Okay.
Doomsday. Some more Superman ones. Funeral for a Friend. That's my college graduation.
There
You don't
you
want
go.
that. That's a Superman.
I wasn't invited. I see how it is.
Night Thrasher. I don't even know if Night Thrasher exists. Here we go.
What's this?
Number 1 for Ravage. X-Men. It's a reprint. It's not the original.
Okay.
Here. Ultimate Warriors comic book.
Oh, that's cool.
Old Masters of the Universe. Cable, where it first came out. $20.99. Reprint.
Yep.
Here, hold on. There it is. Spider-Man $20.99. Number 1.
Number 1, yeah.
This isn't a reprint. This is the original.
Okay.
Number 4, and then just a really old baseball game.
Oh, it's like a little. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Cool.
I mean, feel free to do what you need to do. The cards may be a little bit harder for me to part with, but
the cards?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not all of them, but I mean, if there's specific ones you like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, for me, they're more nostalgic than anything. I don't like dealing with cards.
Yeah. Well, that's fair. That's
But
I haven't got them graded yet.
this is my favorite era of wrestling that I was into.
Yeah.
Like, with these.
Hold on, let me grab my college invitation
Yeah.
so you don't need to. But yeah, these are all things that I've been meaning to just go somewhere, and but you know, life happens, especially with little ones around.
No, yeah, I got a 14 and 12-year-old, so I understand.
Go put that back in the. Go get that to Mom, actually, Bug.
And to tell you the truth, on these, I don't do a lot with comics. I buy them if they're super cheap, so you probably don't want to sell them for like $1 a piece.
No,
you know what I'm saying?
No.
Yeah.
Thank you, though.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. I can check that. Stats Pro Baseball. Do you know if that's all the things are in there in that baseball game?
I mean, I think it's still. I don't think I taped it up. So like here, yeah, it has like all the stuff.
So with this.
Yep.
So, I mean, you saw the listing, 500 sold ones, going from 200 to 350.
Okay.
So I'd have to base any number I do on that, and like
Perfect.
my top dollar would probably be like $80, and I know that you saw that 500. It's like flashy.
Oh no, not the flashy. If you could do 100, you go up to 100.
100.
Then.
What about the figures?
I mean, you can look at the figures if you want. Are you talking
Do you
about
have like a price for the bag or no?
No, like price for the bag. Like take a look, see what conditions are in there. I mean, some of them again, same thing. I was a kid, played with them. Some are better condition than others.
What would you take for the bag? Do you have an idea, or is it just
maybe like 20 for the whole bag?
20.
Yeah.
Let's check out this camera.
You can make me an offer on that camera. It's seen better days. But
Yeah. Does it say Kodak?
yeah. I can remember how to open it. It's been years. But it is a folding Model B4 Kodak camera.
Okay.
I just can't take it out. So
It looks like a project. I don't.
if you don't want a project, that's fine.
Yeah.
I get it.
I don't know.
I totally get it. No, you're fine. Like I said, I was like, oh, well, I'm going through all this old stuff.
Yeah.
Let me just print it out.
No,
worries.
for sure. So I'm interested in that.
Okay.
Too. Could you do like 115, 90, 25, 115 total on that?
120.
120.
120. Just like giving you the camera for free.
Okay. And then these, could you do like 40 for all of them? Because looking at it, like some of them sell for like $35 plus shipping on eBay. Like they're not.
No, that's fair.
Yeah. So that would be
45.
160 total.
This was 120.
120?
We can do 160 total.
160?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
We can do 160 total.
Okay,
That works.
cool.
I'm not gonna argue over $5. You're not interested in the game, right?
Hmm?
You're not interested in the game?
Oh, that's what I was saying for
Oh, the game,
the
not the
5 for the
camera.
game, not the camera.
Okay.
Yeah. I thought you were throwing it in. I was like, oh, okay, whatever.
If you want it, I mean, it's a project.
Yeah. It's
That's
up to you,
though.
man.
I mean, it's your project. Mine's just been sitting in a big storage tote.
Let's check out what we picked up in this little group. Yeah, so I don't know if any of these are worth anything, but I'll throw up some comps if they are. But yeah, I paid $120 for all these.
Wow.
Don't forget to click below to subscribe.
Yeah, the only other thing that I could think that you may be interested in from a collector standpoint that I have, I mean, I have tons upstairs. That's just who I am. But so I have a lot of Buffy the Vampire Slayer stuff too.
Okay. Yeah, man. If you want to grab that too, I'll make an offer.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna take all my money, but
I just threw the camera in, so
okay. Sweet, thank you. This guy keeps pulling stuff out.
So this isn't all the Buffy stuff, but this is down here.
Okay.
So, I mean,
cool.
the barcode's on the back if you want to take a look at it.
Check it out.
And then, like I said, the original Dream Team, 1992.
Shoot.
That one you'll probably have to research on eBay. There's not a barcode.
Yeah.
But
1992. Here. Let's check this out first.
The wind gets crazy. At least it'll hook onto there. All right, I'm gonna grab the rest of the Buffy stuff.
Cool.
I don't think she has any talent. I bet she paid for one class and listened to everything you did and didn't throw herself on the ground. I think that's a win. You don't want my money? Really weird.
Dang, you got the tub.
Coming.
Tammy, look at me.
So, board game.
Look at me.
Price inventory list we tried to do way back when I was actually gonna try to sell it all.
Are you gonna do eBay on all the
That
stuff?
was the plan.
Yeah.
VHS tape, sure.
All right, so my camera glitched out and then died here. This guy had a bunch of Buffy the Vampire Slayer stuff in like 2 totes. I wish I could have showed it all to you, but here it is laid out on the table. All right, once again, I was talking too much and my camera died. But after the fact, I made a deal for $60 for all these Buffy the Vampire Slayer items, plus 3 shirts, which I'll show in a second.
I'm Buffy, the Vampire Slayer, and you are?
Money!
And then 1984 He-Man wallet, a G.I. Joe beanie, and Shawn Michaels WWF figure thing. All right, and here's the shirts, all dated 1998, so hopefully $60 for all that was a decent deal. We'll see.
Yeah.
You're still here? It's over. Go home.